What's good, guys? I hope you guys enjoyed your 4th of July. Well, I'm gonna head out to work today, so yeah, let's get this day started. I hope you guys enjoyed my clean culture video and my last vlog. If you didn't watch it, go watch it. It just dropped, when I dropped it? Yesterday? Yeah, yesterday, so make sure you guys check that out, man. Show your boy some support, share the video. We almost at 2K, man. We almost there. I always get people who ask me, like, what's it like driving a daily stance car? Honestly, it's really not that bad, as people make it seem. Like, I mean, my camber is not that aggressive. It's alright. It's not like OD, but, you know, I don't really run into any problems. Like, I still could speed if I want to speed and everything like that. So I feel like if you want to be into the stance scene and you're nervous because you drive your car every day, don't worry about it. Just don't try to be too crazy aggressive on the camber. That's it, you know? Like, it could be a little bit, but just like, at least you still have a good contact patch. Like me, I still have a good contact patch. So I still get a good enough grip to drive around, you know? Like, my car's not wobbling and going haywire at like 90 miles per hour. Like, I could drive at 90 miles per hour if I wanted to. That's like one of the main reasons why I went bagged. I mean, if I'm gonna drive my car every day and be stance like and stance like this and be this crazy low, it's not gonna work for me, you know? So that's why I was like, yo, I gotta go bags. Bags is the only way this shit is gonna work for me, because the S2000 is already low. And I was already hating the way it felt on coilovers. Like, well, I mean, not coilovers, on the stock suspension. If you guys go back on my older videos, I used to complain about the stock suspension. Like, yo, this shit is mad tough. Like, you hit bumps, you feel everything. So I don't know. It's really your preference, like I always say. Definitely got to get brakes for this car, because it's starting to squeal a little bit, so I hate that. Like, I need to get brakes. So I'm probably going to try to order some online today, or try to see if I can find like a good set. But I definitely need to get brakes like ASAP. But if I do get brakes, I want some drilled and slotted rotors too, though. Know what I mean? So you can see it through the spokes. Person who S2000, it has like a crazy idle when you turn on the AC. Like, my shit idles like really low when I turn on the AC, and it like when it's sitting, like, say for instance I'm at a light, like right now I'm at a light and I have the AC on, it just like vibrates the car and shakes as if it wants to turn off, but it doesn't. Anyone else's car does that? Ever since I've had the car, it's always had like a low kind of idle to it. Like when I first got it, I adjusted it and it was good, but then it's like when you turn on the AC, it kind of sits really low. Like, look, like I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be between the 1 and the 2, not below the 1. Boy, guys, I'm like super upset right now, man. The fucking car, I was coming out of the gas station because I went to go get something to drink, and with my luck, it was a cop right behind me pulling out of the gas station. So my car just shuts the fuck off, like, out of nowhere. Like I was just saying earlier, like, it's been having an idling problem, but my battery terminal is loose. I know that. And I was gonna get the terminal today. But I'm leaving out of the gas station, and then the shit just cuts off. Like, so I'm stuck in the middle of the driveway. So then I finally like jimmied up the terminal to get it all set and done. And I got the car back on. Meanwhile, the cop is there talking to me. He's like, oh, I seen your S2000, because I guess he comes into my parking lot. He probably seen it, was looking at it, whatever. So now I'm like driving home. Well, I'm not driving home, I'm driving back to my job, and the fucking check engine light came on, and now the shit's in limp mode. Like, right now, I turned on the key, you can't even see the light is on. Like, the shit, oh god, son. Right now the key's on, you can't even see the light is on, and everything is just not working no more. Like, oh boy, bruh. Let's see if I could tighten it back up as much as I can, because when I was doing the plate, the terminal wood, like the bolt that keeps the terminal attached to the battery, it was kind of like loose. Like, remember, I don't know if I said it in the vlog, I might have cut it out, but it's like the bolt is like stripped. I don't know why, it's just stripped. And now it's like loose or whatever. So now I gotta figure that out, or else I'm gonna be stuck here. That's why I didn't even bother to air my car out today, because I'm like, yo, this shit is giving me nothing but problems. And this camera's about to die soon. You guys can see right here, the terminal is mad loose for some reason. It's not staying. And this right here is to my air suspension, and it came off. Like, oh boy, oh boy. And then my check engine light came on, so when I'm driving home, I keep saying going home. When I was driving to work, back to work, the shit wouldn't let me rev past 5K RPM. And this shit happened down of nowhere. Like, I just did my oil. Let me see. I'm gonna check the coolant reservoir to make sure everything's in there and it's good. Because I can't really tell if the coolant is low. But it looks like there's coolant in here. I'm gonna check. Oh boy, but I'm all the way at work, stuck. Alright guys, so I just readjusted everything. See, it's more stiff now. So let's hope everything starts back up again. It does look like a lot of my coolant went low. See, it's still dead. I don't know. It's like something's draining the battery or something. Like, the ground is on there. I don't know. I'm doing everything that I can think of to start this bitch, and it's not starting. One thing I could think of now, because the terminal's on there tight now, so that can't be it. The battery just has to be dead now. So I'm probably gonna get a jump and then try to see if I could go get it checked out. I'm annoyed, because now I'm stuck. Like, I'm fucking annoyed now. Alright guys, so I'm about to head out to AutoZone and see if I could get another terminal for my for the battery, because I believe that the terminal's no good. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna also take my battery out. And bring it to them just to make sure that it's good, because if not, I'm just gonna buy another battery. So let's hope that's the case, because I do not want to leave my car stuck up here, man. Like, this shit just happened out of nowhere. Like, this is the shit that gets on my nerves. You know, it's always like little mice-sick shit that goes wrong with the car. And I just was talking about, you know, just saying to myself the other day, like, yo, this car's running so good, everything's good, it's riding so smooth, and it's like, oh boy. And I might have to pick up some more coolant. I think I might have a coolant leak. I don't see any leaks, but I did put some coolant in that bottle, and the bottle's almost like empty, so that's kind of weird. Real day one right here. She came to come save me, because nobody else wanted to help me. Alright guys, so I took the battery out. I'm about to go to AutoZone right now and make sure, like, to get it tested to make sure that the battery is getting juice, because I don't want to just go and buy a battery and I don't need a battery and it's just a terminal. So if anything, if they say that the battery is holding juice and is good, then I'm just gonna buy a terminal. So I just took the battery out and we're on our way now. If it ain't one thing, it's always something, man. Oh boy. I really don't want to leave my car here, and I don't want it to get towed, so I'm trying to figure it out, because it's what I do. I hate not knowing what's wrong with something, but it has to be something small, you know, because I checked all the fuses, and all the fuses were good, so it has to be like the terminal or the actual battery. So I got the new terminal. They said that the battery was good, so I'm not gonna have to buy another battery, so that's good. That just saved me a couple dollars. But I bought some coolant and I bought the terminal, so let's hope this fixes the problem. If it doesn't, I'm gonna fucking blow the car up. Alright guys, so I got the new ground wire here, so I'm gonna check and see if that would make everything work. If it doesn't work, then we are fucked. Guys, I just changed the terminal. Moment of truth. Pause the video right here. Give me a thumbs up for good luck to see if the car is gonna start. Alright? I'm hoping it starts. If it doesn't, I'm going to shoot this bitch. Alright? I'm going to blow this motherfucker up, park it in the middle of nowhere, shoot 5 grenades at this shit. Alright? So let's see if it starts. Oh my gosh. It's alive. It's alive, guys. I don't see any check engine light. It's lit. Alright, we lit. I'll put some of the coolant in there just in case anyway. Fill it up to the little line and yeah, be on our merry way. Because of this fucker right here, man. Jesus Christ. Woo! What a day, guys. I thought I lost my car for a minute there, man, but I'm finally home. I just edited the video for you guys, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it just for the content purposes, not enjoy it because my car wasn't working and it was giving me so much problems. See, me, I'm the type of person that when there's something wrong and I cannot figure it out, it bothers me and it makes me more angrier than normal, okay? Like, that stuff like that, I have to know, like, what's wrong with the car, you get what I'm saying? So I wasn't even like, stuff like it sits on my mind and I'm like, yo, no, like, I would rather be outside that whole time trying to figure out what's wrong with my car. See, in this little minute, 10, 20, 15-minute video that you're watching, you have to understand, I probably was outside for like a good like hour just searching the car for fuses and all sorts of wiring problems or whatever, and then I narrowed it down to the terminal and got it or whatever. So I'm happy the car is running, the car is back good, no problems. It was not in limp mode going home, so everything was set. I'm excited. I'm happy that the car is perfect again. I know I was very, very aggravated in this video, so if you're watching it, just don't take it anyway. That's just how I get when something is frustrating me. You know, like, I was trying to have one of my boys come up and help me either jump start my car, or, you know, at least take me to AutoZone to go pick up another terminal to swap it, but nobody wanted to come help me. That's why I always tell guys, like, yeah, it's not, you don't always have to be suffocated under your girl, but your girl's gonna always be your #1 person to go to. And she was the #1 person I could go to, and she came and she helped me. So I give her nothing but love and respect for that. You get what I'm saying? I took her out her whole entire way just to come help me for something so small that I know one of my friends could have helped me do. So, guys, respect your lady, treat your lady the best way you can, because she's gonna always be there for you. Alright? Remember that. But on a serious note, guys, I just want to say I drop videos every day, okay? Every day. We're so close to 2K subscribers. So hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till tomorrow, peace.